Welcome to German Alphabet Overview. In this lesson, we will learn the German alphabet. The letters in the German alphabet are the same as in English. However, there are 4 more letters which you will come across in the German language: Ä, Ö, Ü, and S. The German alphabet has 21 letters, 16 consonants, and 5 vowels. For the most part, German is a phonetic language and everything is usually pronounced as written, so the spelling of each word confirms with its sound. Here is the German alphabet. I will just say the letters and you will repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The German alphabet includes the foreign letters Ä, Ö, Ü, and S. In this section, you will learn how to pronounce them in German. So I will say the letters and you repeat after me. Ä, Ö, Ü, S. In this